Students, good morning. Today we will start the fifth chapter, Coal and Petroleum. In this chapter, we will start with the topic natural resource. So let's start. Students, sun provides us energy in the form of heat and light. The energy provided by sun is called solar energy. Solar energy can be changed into different form of energy. Like it can be changes into solar energy to chemical energy, into electrical energy, into mechanical energy, etc. Except this energy, plants, soil, water, air, coal, petroleum, they also provide us energy. And these source of energy are called natural resource because these are provided by nature. Thus, we can define the natural resource. The substance which when burned to provide energy are called fuels. For example, on burning they provide us energy. Two types of natural resource on the basis of their occurrence and uses are: one is inexhaustible and second is exhaustible source of energy. Inexhaustible source of energy is also called renewable source of energy, and exhaustible source of energy is called non-renewable source of energy. Now, one by one, we will discuss. First type is inexhaustible or renewable source of energy. This is the natural source of energy which cannot be finished after use. We can use again and again this type of energy. For example, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy. These energies we got again and again. So they are called renewable. From their name, re means again and again. Second type of source of energy is exhaustible or non-renewable source of energy. This is the natural source of energy which when used once and can be finished. We can't get again and again this type of natural resource. For example, coal, which when we use one time, it will be finished and it cannot be formed. It takes a long time for the further formation. Petroleum products like petrol, diesel, natural gas, they all are the examples of exhaustible or non-renewable source of energy. Renewable source of energy or inexhaustible source of energy provide us a clean energy and they do not produce harmful product, but in case of exhaustible and non-renewable source of energy, they provide us not a clean energy like renewable. They also produce waste material after use. Instead of non-renewable source of energy, we should be use renewable source of energy because it we can got again and again. It cannot be finished. But renewable source of energy which when once finished, we can't get or it takes a long time for their further formation. Thus, we can conclude that renewable source of energy are more efficient or good as compared to the non-renewable source of energy. In place of coal and petroleum, we must be use the renewable source of energy like wind energy, solar panels, solar cookers and thermal energy, tidal energy, etc. Thank you.